Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk a little bit about mainsprings. Mainsprings inside clocks, or what powers a clock if it's not powered by weights. Um, this is the power source. I'm going to talk about why it's so important to clean mainsprings. See this right here? This is a barrel. And this is what this mainspring goes inside of. Now you can see the spring is very long. The barrel is significantly smaller. Take a look at this oil on the inside here. That's what originally was put on the mainspring to keep it sliding on itself so that it smoothly transfers power. You can see here that this old oil is just atrocious. Today we're going to clean this oil, not only from the mainspring barrels, but also off the mainsprings, as well as all the rest of the parts for the clock. So, had to show you guys, this is why it's important to keep your clocks maintained and cleaned every couple of years. This is a good way to break a mainspring. If this old oil actually seizes the spring and you try to wind it, it can damage the spring, which can also damage the teeth on the barrel. It can damage the other gears inside the clock. Basically, this is preventative maintenance. Now, this clock was actually running, not very well, but it was running prior to being disassembled, and I could hear these mainsprings pop and shake when the clock was running. So we're going to go ahead and clean these out and get this clock like brand new again.